On the screen, you're seeing the success I've had with a business approach I'm going to explain in this video. Since ChatGPT became a thing, I've been working with this concept. I came up with a straightforward plan with special steps that anyone can use easily. I'm sure the insights from this video are unique and hard to come by elsewhere. You may be curious about the nature of this business. So, here's the scoop. Imagine you're searching for a self-help book. Your first move might be to search Google for top recommendations. Chances are you'll find a site suggesting some great books. But a detail many overlook: these book links can benefit the site owner. If you purchase through such a link, the site's owner gets a bit of money. Before you stop this video feeling frustrated, I get it. This way of doing business isn't brand new, and many people are into affiliate marketing. But hang on, because what I'm about to share is not what you'd typically expect. If you try out these methods and put in some work, you might see success like the examples I've shown. I'll lay out our plan for today. Our main aim is to write and share an article that can earn money with special links. First up, we'll choose what to write on. Then, the fun part begins. I'll teach you to use ChatGPT in a special way for easy writing, using tricks I made. Next, I'll guide you on adding links to your article that can earn money. In the end, we'll polish up the article, get it out there, and I'll share some quick advice to help it get noticed. Let's go into more detail, beginning with finding a topic. I'll share two methods with you, and I came up with the second one myself. In any business, picking a specific area or theme is key. If you're unsure, go to Wikipedia and look up hobbies. You'll find a ton of options, and surely something will spark your interest. But if you're a fan of ChatGPT like I am, I've got a trick for endless topic ideas. What you're looking at is a tool that instantly suggests blog post ideas. This tool sets the bot to think like a seasoned writer. When you use this tool, it offers a variety of subjects. Just enter this tool into the chat and see it in action. I'll show you the main theme of the article, who it's for, and the cool points to discuss. With this tool, you'll always have fresh inspiration. For instance, one subject that grabbed my attention was about affordable travel, journeying without breaking the bank. Once you've picked a subject, it's crucial to see if it's popular. To do this without spending a dime, you've got two choices. First up, there's Google Trends. Type in a related word and see if there's interest. If there's a graph, it shows folks are looking it up. Your other choice is the Google Keyword Planner. In this tool, hit Discover New Keywords and type in words linked to your subject. Next, pick a language and place, then hit Get Results. You'll then spot the related terms, how often they're looked up monthly, and how many are talking about it. This helps you gauge if the topic's hot or not. For me, traveling on a budget feels like a worthy subject to discuss. Once you've chosen your article subject, return to ChatGPT to begin crafting the content. For a speedy process, I've made special prompts and instructions for every stage. Let's kick off with a headline. Using this method, you can create catchy headlines that draw readers in. Just take the method, enter it into the chat, and swap the sample subject with yours. For me, it's Journeying Without Spending Much. After doing this, you'll notice you have a variety of headline choices. Once you've got your titles, it's time to apply the intro method. For this step, pick the title you like most and place it in the selected title spot. I'm leaning towards the fourth one, High-End Trips Without the High-End Cost. So I'll take that and place it here. You can also decide on the mood and approach of the writing. After doing so, you'll get a compelling start that grabs readers. With the title and start in place, let's dive into the main part, beginning with the article's framework. This method lets you whip up a thorough framework with a single action. Just slot in your title, decide on the mood and approach, and voila! You have a well-structured guide for your piece. Using this guide, we can flesh out the full article. Take the article method and drop it into the chat. Then, grab the framework you just made and slot it below the method. Just like that, you've created a full piece, all thanks to AI. However, there's another step, making money from the article by including affiliate items, be they tangible or online. I'd push for online items, no matter your topic, as they often give better commission rates and can offer ongoing earnings if they're tied to a subscription. To locate these affiliate items, there are several routes. One way is to pop over to Google and look for affiliate items in your area of interest. For our case, I'd put affiliate programs for travel, and a bunch of choices pop up. Another route is through affiliate hubs like ClickBank or Digistore. Just pop in some keywords linked to your topic and pick what appeals. Sites like Impact or PartnerStack are also packed with affiliate schemes to join. And if you're leaning towards tangible items, Amazon's affiliate scheme is top-notch. I came across a travel product on ClickBank that aligns just right with my theme. Now, I aim to highlight the product within my write-up. For this, there's the affiliate method. This technique seamlessly incorporates the item you're endorsing into your write-up, offering insights to the reader without seeming too pushy. You just need to input the headline of the article, the name of the product you're spotlighting, and a brief snippet about it. After pressing enter, your write-up will be set to go. with the section spotlighting the affiliate item emphasized, ready for a link insertion later on. Once you've crafted the article, launch a Google document to begin assembling the headline, summary, and the core text. Next, there's a tool we'll utilize named Quillbot. This utility rewords your material so it doesn't seem AI generated. Simply take each part, drop it in, and press Reword. In a short spin, you'll see the tool tweak the writing's tone. This ensures your piece doesn't come off as AI written. As each segment is reworded, swap out the original with the new version until your entire piece is updated. By now, your article should be complete and set for release. Our chosen platform to attract readers to your pieces and in time to your affiliate link is Medium.com. Medium.com is a popular platform filled with numerous articles. It attracts over 138 million readers every month, has the trust of Google, and frequently appears on the top search results. What's great is you can begin on Medium without any cost. Joining is straightforward. Just go to Medium.com, tap Get Started at the top, and pick the method you like. Once you're in, your main page should appear this way. To share your initial piece, hit Write in the upper right, place your headline, and then transfer your written content from the Google document directly into Medium. Next, begin organizing your article. This includes adding breaks and highlighting key points. Incorporate relevant pictures to give your article a polished and engaging look. For free images, check out Pexels.com. And for AI-generated images, try Midjourney. Remember to insert your affiliate link. Decide where in the article you'd like to feature the product and use the link option. Once everything's set, hit the Publish button. Your final task is to tag your article with related subjects. As you type, Medium will offer topic suggestions. Once you've selected your topics, press Publish Now, and there you have it. Your article is live for everyone to see. Here's a brief update. It's been 15 hours since I posted the article on my new account, and I've already received a notification that someone liked it. So, if someone reads your article, clicks on your affiliate link, and makes a purchase, you'll earn money. To succeed in this side hustle, keep posting and exploring new niches and products. I've written over 3,170 articles to reach this stage, so don't give up too quickly. Remember, making money online takes time and dedication.